Good morning, friends. It's a brand new day with Danny Dino. Good morning, hello to you. The sun is shining, skies are blue. Stretch and smile and start the day. Danny Dino says, hooray! Open your eyes, wake up slow. Feel the sunshine start to glow. Yawn and stretch from head to toe. Let's get ready, off we go. Good morning, hello to you. The sun is shining, skies are blue. Wash your face and comb your hair. Put on clothes with loving care. Eat some breakfast, yummy too. Milk and fruit for me and you. Good morning, hello to you. Let's learn and play the whole day through. Say hello to Mom and Dad. Give a hug, it feels so glad. Wave to friends and teachers too. Lots of fun is awaiting you. Good morning, hello to you. Danny Dino loves mornings with you. Good morning, bright and new. Happy thoughts and smiles for you. Sing and laugh and learn all day. Good morning, friends. Hooray, hooray. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Hi, friends. It's brushing time with Danny Dino. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Every day with Danny and me. Up and down and round, keep them clean and shiny. Wow! In the morning when we wake, brush our teeth for goodness sake. Squeeze some toothpaste, not too much. Brush them gently, soft, soft touch. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Every day with Danny and me. Brush the front and brush the back. Brush the tops, don't miss a spot. Left and right and all around. Happy teeth make happy sounds. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them healthy, strong, and neat. Spit it out and rinse away. Bubble water, swish and spray. Look in mirror, smile so wide. Clean white teeth with lots of pride. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Danny Dino says good job to me. Brush in morning, brush at night. Keep your smile shining bright. Sing and brush and laugh with me. Healthy teeth, hip, hip, hooray! Great brushing, friends. See you next time. It's time. Let's clean today. Danny Dino shows the way. Toy Toys on floor and books on bed, let's put them back where they're fed. Blocks in box and cars in line make our little room look fine. Clean up, everybody now. Pick it up, we know how. Clean up, nice and slow. Watch our happy room just glow. Teddy bears and coloring books, back to shelves and cozy nooks. Shoes by door and bag on hook, put away each little look. Clean up, everybody now. Pick it up, we know how. Clean up, nice and slow. Watch our happy room just glow.
1, 2, 3, let's see.
Clean together, you and me.
Big and small, we help today.
Hip hooray!
We're on our way.
Thank you, friends, for helping too. Danny Dino's proud of you. Room is shiny, bright and neat. Cleaning time is super sweet. Clean up, job well done.
Cleaning time
Is lots of fun. Clean up, we all say. Great big hugs!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Good job, friends, you did so great.
Clean and happy. Hi, friends. Let's learn to share with Danny Dino.
Sharing every day.
Danny Dino shows the way.
Share your toys and share your smile.
Sharing makes us happy all the while. I have blocks and you have cars. Let's play together near and far.
You can try my ball today.
Then I'll use yours when you say, okay.
Sharing every day.
Danny Dino shows the way.
Share your crayons, red and blue.
I'll share my storybook with you.
Take turns, wait and be so kind.
Happy hearts are what we find.
Sharing every day.
Let's be friendly when we play. One for you and one for me. That's how sharing should be. We take turns and use kind words. Sharing helps our friendship grow. If a friend feels sad or shy, we can help them.
You and I.
Share a hug and share a cheer. Let's spread kindness everywhere.
Sharing every day.
Danny Dino loves to play. Sharing, fun and fair. We show love when we share. Hands together, hearts so true. Danny Dino shares with you. Great sharing, friends.
You're doing amazing. subscribe for more fun!